Continuum review. Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and today's video is all about Continuum. So this is the dashboard of Continuum. I will explain you all the features of the product and my bonus is worth $1284. So what is Continuum? Well, Continuum is a customizable funnel created by Jono Armstrong where you will create webinar funnel by your own or 3 done for you funnel that available inside this funnel product. All of these 3 done for you funnels will pay up to $750 per sale. So if you are interested in, then stick with me till the end, and you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, so before we go forward, I want to tell you about my bonuses. If you see in the description box, there is a link of my bonus page. When you click that link, it will redirect you to my bonus page, which is look like this. So I will provide you 5 bonuses worth $1284 if you purchase Continuum through my link. Then I will give you all my bonuses free. When you scroll down, then you will see the first bonus here. Okay, the first bonus is Stealth. Stealth will help you to build your email list with running Gmail ads. Building an email list is very important. When you send the traffic to your funnel, they will sign up to your page putting an email address. Okay, but instead of send traffic to your sign up page, you will run Gmail ads to build your list. Let me explain you. First, you understand how Continuum works. Okay, so when you send traffic to your funnel with running Google ads or Facebook ads, they will jump into this page, okay, which is your opt-in page. When someone sign up to your form, then he will redirect it to thank you page and you get an email address from this person. Then there is a button in the thank you page. When he clicks to that button, he redirected to your webinar page, either your own webinar or 3 done for you product webinar, which is high converting webinars. Okay, first done for you product webinar is MOF. MOF stands for Ministry of Freedom, created by Jono Armstrong. Second done for you product webinar is SAS by John Crestani, and third done for you product webinar is Simple Wi-Fi Profits. And remember one thing, all these 3 products will pay up to $750 per sale. All these are high converting and high ticket products. If someone purchase this product after seeing this webinar, you will get commission up to $750 depending on which product you are promoting. So instead of running Google ads or Facebook ads, you run Gmail ads. When you run Gmail ads, then the person will redirect directly to the webinar page, and if he bought the product, you will get commission. So Stealth will help you to run Gmail ads and build your list. Okay, after you get an email from this person, you send email to this person, but composing an email is another obstacle for you, because there is a various tools are available to compose your mail, but all these are paid. Instead of bought paid tool, I will give you free tool, which is Gemini. Okay, Gemini will help you to compose an email. An interesting part of Gemini is you compose a video clickable link. When you compose your mail, then you will add a video in that mail. When someone click to that video, then he will redirect it to that page where do you want to redirect them. And I will give you a license right of Gemini. If you want to sell Gemini as your product, then you will do that. And my third bonus is hacks of creating your own brand. Well, Jono Armstrong is a brand, and he will teach you exact hacks that how to build a brand of your name, of your website name. My fourth bonus is Eclipse. In Eclipse, Jono tell you about how important it is to take this business seriously, and this is special bonuses that provided by vendor. So when you click any of this button, yellow button, it will redirect it to the sales page of the product. Okay. Oh, so this is the sales page. Check out this page if you want, then click here which says get instant access now. When you click this button, it will be redirected to the payment page. After you purchase this product, you will go to your Warrior Plus account. Okay, so move your cursor to this point and it says purchase history. Click this button. When you click this button, it will show, take a second, it will show this access affiliate bonus. When you click this button, you will get my all bonuses for free. So come to the dashboard of Continuum. Here you will see that the various sections, introduction section, and walk you through of the software, and setup section, and traffic training. These two modules are very important, setup and traffic training. You go to all these videos, don't skip anything, because it will tell you that how the software will work. After you watch this all videos, then click to this button, access the Continuum app. When you click this button, it will shows you the login page actually first. Then you put the login credential again, then click to the setting. Okay, so click to the buttons and create new button. Write anything that you want which will appear to this button. So I'll write and get my copy, and here you put your affiliate link and then create button. So I will write anything for the demo purpose. Okay, so create button. So here you see that this is the new button. Okay, after creating a button, click to the autoresponder. There is a various types of autoresponders are there. So just click to the this plus button. I already integrate my get response. So if you want to add another, then just click to the add services and put your API key here, and then says continue. And if you want to add your SMTP server, then click to the email and SMTP, and here you will put your API key of SendGrid. Or if you want to add your Gmail, then you add your Gmail also. Okay, so I will skip this. So after you put this information, you will just click to the create auto webinar. So put title to your webinar, let's say MIF, and put a description, add event photo. And this is the cool feature here. You don't need to create your own webinar for promoting that three products, MOF, SaaS, and Simply Wi-Fi. You just click this button and you will select any of this webinar which is a really high converting webinars. So let's say click to Ministry of Freedom Jonas webinar. When you click this button, okay, let's say select, just click this button and it will load it for you. So So it will take too much time because the webinar time and webinar size of the video is very large. So put your affiliate link for MOF. If you promoting MOF or another SaaS or etc., then put that link in here. Just click and paste your URL here, and don't change anything here. Just click create event. Then the webinar funnel will be created. So that's it for the demo, and don't worry about anything because all explanations are there in a training section. So go and get Continuum via my link, and you will get the all these bonuses which I explained you before. And thank you. Good night.